do not get discouraged by the spike in interest rates, because this is actually one of the best things that could happen to buyers in this market. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. As always, I am Bill Olson, your favorite YouTubing Charleston realtor. And that's right, today we're going to be talking about the buyer benefits of this spike in interest rates. Now, I know you probably think I'm crazy, thinking this is going to actually cost me more money to buy a home now, Bill. But if you think about it a different way, you could actually be saving money. Unfortunately, these rising rates are going to price a lot of buyers out of this market, and that is very unfortunate. For those of you who are still able and have the buying power, here's where this benefits you. Now, it was only a few months ago that buyers were coming in and waiving all contingencies on a home and paying over appraised value. Now, not everyone is able to do that. I actually don't recommend it, but it's what people needed to do to compete in this market to get a home. Some people were even bringing $50,000 or more above the appraised value just to secure a home in this market. So that meant at closing, that buyer was responsible for $50,000. Any possible repairs that would have come up, because chances are they went as is as well, and all their closing costs. If you didn't have a disposable $20, $30, $40, $50,000, whatever it was at your disposal to compete for a home, chances are you've been beaten out multiple times and you've got fatigue. And now more fatigue because these interest rates have gone up so high. But now here is where it gets interesting. So because of these interest rates, we're seeing a lot of buyers priced out. So now you have less competition in buyers, and we're seeing more homes stay on the market. So our active number of inventory is rising. We're actually up at about 1,500 now, where just a few weeks ago, we were at 1,000. So we're seeing that number climb significantly over the past couple weeks. Less competition generally means that you don't have to come in with as strong of an offer as you did in the previous market just a few weeks ago. But I know what's still on your mind is you're saying, Bill, but how is this saving me money? Because my mortgage just went up for maybe $500 over the past few weeks from what I was approved at. I hear what you're saying, but I want you to think about it this way. Just a few weeks ago, when you didn't have that $50,000 to bring above appraised value like others did, now your mortgage might go up $400, but you can compete for that home. So even if you did have that $50,000 in the bank, think of it this way. A $400 raise in your mortgage would take you 10.5 years to spend $50,000. So where a month ago, people were spending $50,000 just by signing their name on a contract, you get to spread that $50,000 out over 8.5 to 10.5 years, depending on if it's 400, 500, whatever your mortgage went up by. So you are actually saving money, and who knows what's gonna happen in the future. Rates could go down a little bit, you could refinance, and then it's gonna take you even longer to spend that 50 grand. And for those of you that do have that extra money to pay over appraised value, now that you don't have to, this actually opens up a lot more possibilities for you if you're willing to put some work into a home. That is some assets that you can put towards a new bathroom, a new kitchen. You can put that pool in that you want. You have that opportunity now. So now, instead of just having a few homes to look at, you have a broader number that you can afford and make it your own. And when you put those improvements in, then you're gonna get that equity out of it in the future. I think it's a win-win for all buyers that are still able to purchase in this market. So how crazy do you actually think I am with this theory on how this can save you money? Because honestly, I think it's gonna be really great for a lot of buyers in this market to be able to compete. The VA buyers, the FHA buyers that for some reason sellers weren't even giving a look at, now you have a chance in this market and you don't have to come out of pocket any more than you should. That to me is a win. So what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Are you with me? Are you against me on this? Do you think I'm absolutely insane to think this way? Because I'm not. I think this is so beneficial to any buyer that can stay in this market right now with the rise in active inventory. So all those people that paid over appraised value, you know, congratulations, you got your home, and you got a great rate, but you also had to spend $50,000 pretty much overnight, where everyone right now, you get to wait, you get to spread that $50,000 out. So get out there, find that home, and if you don't have an agent, as always, if you're looking to sell or buy anywhere in the greater Charleston area, I would love to be your realtor of choice. Hit me up, text, email, give me a call. All my information is down below. Hit me up on social media. I don't care how you get in touch with me, just get in touch with me, and I will see you on the next video.